Buy a car, book a service, discover a range of unique offers and much more. Just download the versatile My Hyundai app and welcome to a digital world that takes you beyond mobility, where you can access the best of Hyundai all at one place. Download My Hyundai app from Play Store or App Store. Register with your mobile number and email ID and you are good to go. Let's say you want to buy a Hyundai? Great! With My Hyundai, sail through the entire buying process easily. Request a test drive, book a car, and do much more in just a few clicks. My Hyundai is a must for those with finer tastes in life. You can access attractive benefits and services provided by a partner ecosystem, which complement your lifestyle and offer great value at no added cost. Looking to get your car serviced? Choose the service center, avail free pickup and drop service, get accurate job estimates, and make digital payment. In case you need roadside assistance, look no further. With My Hyundai, help is just around the corner. My Hyundai cares for you and your car like nobody else. What's more, you get access to special offers if you refer a friend. If you wish to buy a pre-owned car with all quality checks, or if you want to sell your car at a great price, all you need is My Hyundai app. Those who drive a Hyundai electric vehicle, My Hyundai app guides you to the nearest available charging station for an uninterrupted drive experience. My Hyundai app also opens a world of convenience with advanced Blue Link connectivity. Download the all-in-one My Hyundai app today. Discover a lifetime partnership that goes beyond mobility and keeps enriching your life with unmatched experiences.